Metro Bank Review. App: the pros, the cons. Metro Bank's app promises convenient banking at your fingertips, but is it the right tool for modern users? One major pro is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming mobile banking is just about checking balances. Metro Bank allows you to manage accounts, pay bills, transfer money instantly, and even deposit checks through your phone. The app's clean design makes navigation easy, even for first-time users. Another advantage is real-time notifications. You get immediate alerts for transactions, helping you monitor spending and detect unusual activity. The app also integrates with Metro Bank's in-branch services, making it simple to locate branches or manage cards efficiently. However, there are cons. Some users note occasional slow load times or minor glitches during peak hours. Advanced features, like detailed financial planning tools or budgeting, are limited compared to other banking apps. Customer support within the app may also not be as responsive as desired. In conclusion, the Metro Bank app is a solid choice for day-to-day banking, offering convenience, security, and ease of use. The surprising truth is that while it covers basic needs effectively, users seeking advanced financial management may need supplementary tools. For those who want simple, reliable banking on the go, Metro Bank delivers a straightforward and functional mobile experience. Pair it with traditional banking resources for more complex needs, and it can be an excellent companion for managing your finances.